why I can't stop buying this stock. Stay tuned. You really don't want to miss this one. Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be discussing a company that as of late I've been buying more and more of, just because I think that it has incredible potential in the years to come. Name of the company is DraftKings, ticker symbol DKNG. Did a follow-up video about a week ago where I finally completed my 100 shares on DraftKings, but today we went ahead and sold some positions off because we were having a good price on DraftKings and I want to accumulate this stock even further. DraftKings is going to be, I think, in my personal opinion, remember this is not financial advice, it's just what I'm doing, is I think it will be $100 stock before the end of the year. And I'm going to point towards why I keep buying this company and why I think it has such good potential in the coming months and years. DraftKings not too long ago was at around $72, okay? If you look at the screen here, it was around $72. And currently trading at 58.57. okay, it did have a small fall today. It actually broke below the 120-day moving average on this stock, so there might be a little bit more downfall. I don't care in regards to this stock, just because I think it's going to be a big player in the e-gaming gambling business in future years. Okay, we're going to look back and we're going to look at this price and laugh when we say that we've purchased this stock at this price 2 years, 3 years, 5 years down the road. And there's a couple of reasons why I'm really intrigued by this company. Okay, another company that we're heavily invested in is Webull TV. They do the streaming and the online gambling as well. They're getting the online gambling going, so it's not quite out there yet, but DraftKings has kind of like the first mover in this sector. Okay, and because it is one of the first ones that was out there, they are doing a lot of advertisement and really letting their name be known in all kinds of sports sectors. And I'm gonna go over a couple of them. Okay, some of the latest, and this is the main reason why I want to keep accumulating this stock, is because they're showing up, they're popping up in all sports. Okay, just gonna go over a couple of partnerships that they've done. The latest partnership which they just closed on is with WWE, and this is a historic deal. It's never happened before. So this is one company, but then again, we're talking about different ones. We just watched the Super Bowl, and in the Super Bowl, I see nothing but DraftKings advertisement on there. Okay, same thing with a recent partnership with UFC. They got partnerships going on with basketball teams. They got partnerships in golf. I mean, they're trying to get into every single sport, and they're putting their name out there so people can see it. Gambling itself is an old, it has been around for ages, but the process of getting it to a digitalized, market now, where you can easily go on your cell phone and place a bet. These guys, DraftKings, I think they wanna conquer that sector, and by having the first dibs on that sector, I think they're doing a great job of putting their names out there and being able to get known, by people. Maybe people didn't know who they were, but because they're putting themselves out there so much, people are going to start asking questions. Well, who is DraftKings? What do they do? What do they offer? Whatever it is, right? And something very key in this whole process is that as sports start opening up, as the NFL starts opening up, as people can get back to sports, start watching sports, go to live events, this name, DraftKings, is only going to keep growing and growing and growing, and therefore the stock as well is going to keep growing and growing and growing. They're being legalized in different states right now, along with marijuana. Marijuana and online gambling are probably two of the they're kind of go hand in hand, because they've came a long ways from where they've been at, and they're right now, like, states are starting to legalize this. It has to do a lot with taxes and the whole COVID thing, and states are on budgets and stuff, and they're trying to generate as much income. So I think it's like the perfect time for this company and Fubo TV and different online gambling like GNOG as well to come out, because they're getting legalized in more and more states. And I think as we move forward, I think it's only gonna explode even more. Okay, so these are my reasons why I think that this company will end up going up. And you have an awesome opportunity right now with this huge dip that's been happening for the last 2 months. You have an awesome opportunity to get this company around the mid 50s. Okay, if I were to start a position, I would do, you know, dollar cost average, break your money up into 3, grab some now. If it dips, grab some more, and if it dips further, you grab some more. Okay, anywhere between 55 to 58 right now where it's at, you can start your first position. And if it keeps dipping, then you keep buying. What I do want to say is that this stock moves fast, so once it starts going up, it has a lot of momentum, and I think it could do some good things. With that, guys, I'm not going to take too much of your time. Please like and subscribe to this video if you found any of this information informative. Also hit the notification bell, and if you're not following us, make sure you follow us on Twitter at InvestingOG. Okay, with that, guys, have yourselves a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next one.